In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Samsung dryer. When most electronic devices act up, you can typically power them on and off, which will reset them and resolve the issue. However, with your Samsung dryer, this is not always a good idea to do at the first sign of trouble or when an error code appears on the display. You should only reset the dryer after performing all of the troubleshooting steps for the error code first. A list of error codes and troubleshooting steps can be found online at samsung.com. An example of an error code that needs troubleshooting is HC. This is a heating error that means the dryer is getting too hot. The most common cause is a clogged lint screen or vent system trapping heat in the dryer. Obviously, a reset will not clear the lint screen or exhaust venting. After performing all of the troubleshooting steps for the error code, you can now perform a reset. To reset the dryer, simply unplug it or turn off power at the circuit breaker and wait 1 to 5 minutes for the electrical charge to clear out of the dryer. Then, power it back on. If the error code reappears, you should not try resetting the dryer again to clear the code. Wiping all history of error codes makes it more difficult for technicians to diagnose and resolve the issue. At this time, we suggest revisiting the troubleshooting guide to further diagnose the issue or to contact a technician in your area. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.